hold up, hold up, hold up. Okay guys, it's time to reveal the floors for the very first time. I'm filming this on my iPhone because my camera is in the garage and it's really hot and I just want to film this organically, you know? But yeah, Hanale's in her booties. She's trying to figure them out. You got this, Hanale, you got this. I have my booties on because I'm not supposed to ruin the floor. And yeah, I already unlocked it, so let's see how these floors turned out. The echo. Oh! Hold up, hold up. Oh my gosh. Oh, wow. Wow, wow, wow. Oh my gosh. Wow. Oh. Wow. Holy shit. I haven't been able to scream like no one is watching or listening in months. The floors are done. Okay, this is the main bedroom. Main bedroom, looking good, looking spiffy. Oh, that looks good. That looks so much fucking better, oh my gosh. Yeah, that looks good. I don't look the cutest right now, but that's because the team just finished the floors, like literally probably 10 hours ago. I'm wearing my booties. I look like trash today, but that's because today I am de-dusting and cleaning the entire house. So if you watched the last couple of videos, you guys saw the house tour. So you guys saw the floors that were in the house before this. And then you guys saw me ripping up those floors to put in the new concrete floors, which are currently done. The flooring team had been working on the floors for literally almost a month, and I wasn't able to move into the house for a month. I wasn't able to put any furniture in. I couldn't do anything. And it was really sad because, you know, you buy a house, you're so excited to move into the house, you're ready to put your shit in there and just like enjoy it. And I've been sleeping in hotels and friends' houses for a month because just waiting for the floors to be done. But today's a really exciting day. If anything, I think this is the most exciting day so far at the house. Today's the first day I can move shit into this house. Today is the first day I can actually enjoy it alone. This is the first day. It's so dusty. This is the first day since I bought the house that I can truly start doing whatever the fuck I want to it. And that's starting with cleaning the whole house. The house is covered in dust. The walls used to be bright white and now they're like literally yellow. So today's a cleaning day. Welcome to cleaning day at the Frames house. I can't move furniture in until tomorrow. Actually, yeah, tomorrow. I am gonna move my bed in here tonight because I am sleeping here tonight because I don't want to spend any more money at the hotels, even though they're nice and they have margaritas. Yeah, I'd like to sleep in this house tonight. I'm kind of scared. If you guys haven't already, follow the Frames House Instagram, TikTok, all that fun stuff to see the behind the scenes. And yeah, let's get to cleaning. Oh yeah, that's so much nicer. Yeah. Okay guys, please look at this. Look at that dust. What the fuck? So that's what we have to clean up in this entire kitchen.
I think it's because you have socks on, because mine stay on fine.
I think I've got one more
you thought it was like a color?
I know this isn't that exciting, but it's exciting to me. The most exciting part is going to be getting rid of this echo by putting furniture in. Yeah. Oh my god, everything's so dusty. I'm starting to get sweaty. What am I going to do with these cabinets? Because I'm not keeping this color. Oh my gosh. Like so. Oh! I forgot I was wearing makeup. I wonder if it's bad that I'm breathing in all of these dust fumes. Probably. It's dust everywhere. You know what? That's good enough for me. That's good enough for me. Crystal's currently at the post office because I haven't been receiving mail from I haven't been receiving mail period from this house. And it's super weird because I was receiving packages, but then I was waiting on a piece of mail and it never showed up. And then that's what made me realize, like, where's my mail? And honestly, it's freaking weird because normally when you buy a house, you're like bombarded with spam mail from like all the local grocery stores, all the local contractors, all the local security systems, painters, like everything. And they're like, use our services, like welcome to the neighborhood, blah, 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 you know? And I haven't received a single piece of mail, not even a local grocery store spam mail. Although it has been, I was wondering why I was so like peaceful, you know? I was wondering why I wasn't stressed at all. And I think it's because I wasn't receiving grocery store mail. Yeah, something about it, you know what, I don't miss it at all. I don't miss it, but something about it is comforting. Okay, we're gonna do a home goods haul. First thing I got are these yellow towels. I think these are so cute. Honestly, like, I'm probably gonna go with white towels eventually, but for now, while I don't have any Airbnb guests, I'm going with yellow because I like yellow. And this house has enough neutrals in it. I just felt like it needed some color. Bunch of yellow towels. I got 4. For the 4 non-existent friends that I will have at this house in the next couple days. Oh, I forgot about this. I got a candle. It's a fall candle. It is in the scent Falling Leaves. Oh my gosh, this brings me back to like OG YouTube days. Like, I got a fall candle. Lighting this is gonna be a special moment because I've been craving being able to light my own candle in my own house for 5 months now. And the last thing that I got from Home Goods is a toy for Hanalei. She doesn't know that I got her a toy, but let's see. Wait, hold on. Okay, we're gonna surprise Hanalei. New toy, Hanalei. New toy! New toy! You seem excited? So, it's the first night in Frame's house. And I swear, I freaking swear I packed a box of sheets. I don't know why I just assumed, it It was one of those things that just like completely escaped my mind, but I swear I packed a box of sheets, and like towards the end of the night tonight, I was like, I gotta put those sheets on the bed, you know? And I go to the box, open the box, and what was inside? 2 pillows that looked like a bunch of sheets. And anyway, it's the first night in my brand new house. The first night I'm ever sleeping in this house. And what am I sleeping on? I'm sleeping on a freaking IKEA curtain. This is an IKEA curtain. This is my mattress. I really thought that I packed a sheet, and somehow I had this blanket because I used it to wrap a piece of glass while moving. So this is what I'm sleeping in tonight. We're taking camping to the next level. Also, the toilets don't work because we had to rip them out because of the flooring. So I don't have a toilet. And I also can't use the shower because they put the toilet in the shower, and I don't want to get the toilets wet. So tomorrow I'm gonna have a friend help me move the toilet out of the shower so I can at least shower. And maybe I can just pee in the shower. And the poop, you know what? We're not going to talk about the poop in this vlog. We're gonna worry about the poop later. But honestly, like, I'm not going to lie. I'm sleeping on an IKEA curtain. And I'm not even mad. Like, I'm so comfortable. And I'm just happy to be in my house for the first time. And I'm happy to get to experience this house. And I feel great and really happy and excited and proud. So I'm gonna turn the lights off now and get to sleep on my IKEA curtain. That's super comfortable, to be honest.